Fires come in all sizes. A small malfunction, an interruption in supply, an absent employee. All of these can cause us to rush out to fight the fire with heroic effort. But look at the cost of fire. Lost productivity, lost customer confidence, lost revenue, plus the cost of intervention and damage repair. It is a better strategy to remove our focus from firefighting and place our full attention on becoming fire preventers. It seems logical to me that we find ways to instill high-level awareness within the organization that makes fire prevention our most important priority.